So, welcome back. We've got Shannon Becker returning to our studio again this morning, here with the big 3 stories of the week.
That's right. What's live and local breaking news at number 3 this week? Still searching for a missing man, Dakota Patton in Labette County. Talked to his brother this week. They are very upset, obviously. Haven't heard from him since April 25th. His vehicle was located out here really far in a remote field with 2 flat tires, confirmed by the sheriff. You could submit tips anonymously to the KBI. KBI have been searching with Neosho County authorities near the Neosho River also. Number 2, Joplin News First. Tuesday morning. Well, it's really Friday morning, but Tuesday morning is closing. Thank you for 49 years of loyalty and support. If they just could have held on for one more, but they couldn't.
I know. I knew there was a Tuesday morning in Joplin, but I did not know they'd been there for 49 years.
I don't know if they've been at this location for 49 years because it was a Chinese restaurant before.
Okay,
but
the company
has been around. They're from Dallas, but this has got to be here at least almost 20 years.
So sad. So many these bigger
Pier
businesses
1, Bed Bath and Beyond, all those kind of as long as Ross isn't going out of business, we'll all be fine, right? Our number 1 story, it was the blimp. So cool.
How did I miss this?
I don't know. It's big. The blimp is big. It's a big blimp. I remember when I was a kid in 2nd grade, the blimp came to the Joplin Airport. The Mayflower is what it was called. And it was really cool, really memorable. So that's the tethering truck.
How many people
drives around.
Can they keep in this?
I think they're it's like 6 or 8, not very many. It's not like you're the Hindenburg going places and stuff like that.
Did they talk about where they were headed, where they were coming from?
Well, they actually just stopped here to get gas, and then it got too windy, so they stayed for a couple of days. But they have a couple of different crews, and they obviously go to different big events. We don't know, we weren't privy to their schedule, but we did know when they were taking off, and we did catch that when they left that day. It was still windy, And then our bonus story of the week, Motorcycle Safety Awareness Month. That's what's happening every May. So for drivers and motorcycle operators, this motorcyclist crashed on his own, but wasn't wearing a helmet near 13th and Jung. Critical injuries this last weekend. And then also a driver failed to yield in McDonald County to a motorcyclist on Missouri 43 near the Oklahoma line. He did die at the scene at that crash earlier this week. Southwest City Fire responded to that crash, and Missouri State Highway Patrol investigate. Tragedy. So every May, this weekend going to be better weather, Motorcycle Awareness Month.
We all have friends who ride.
Yep.
And we don't want anything to happen to them.
Exactly.
So just be aware of who's out there. Give them space.
Yeah, sure. And even those little scooters, boy, you see those they scoot around Pittsburgh?
Yeah.
Watch out. Those look dangerous.
But still fun.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
All right, well, thank you so much.
All right. It's your big 3.
There we go.
Have a good weekend.
You too. Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Oh, gracias.
We'll be right back.